Welcome to this exploration of India's lesson on endangered species. Did you know India, home to 8% of global species, is losing biodiversity at an alarming rate? From snow leopards to red pandas, we will uncover fascinating stories, challenges, and conservation efforts. Let's rediscover the treasures of Indian wildlife and their significance to our ecosystem. Snow leopards, the elusive ghosts of the mountains, are found in Ladakh and the Himalayas, with fewer than 500 left in India. Threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and prey decline, their survival hangs by a thread. Fun fact, their thick fur and large paws help them survive harsh winters. India's Project Snow Leopard offers hope, but it needs community support to thrive. Lion-tailed macaques are iconic residents of the Western Ghats rainforests, with fewer than 4,000 left. Their habitats are shrinking due to deforestation and human interference. Interestingly, they avoid human settlements, even when tempted by food. Protecting rainforests is key to their survival. Remember, saving these primates also preserves a critical ecosystem. Pangolins, known for their unique armor of keratin scales, are the world's most trafficked mammals. Myths about their medicinal properties and demand for their meat drive illegal poaching. Found in India's forests, they consume millions of ants annually, keeping ecosystems balanced. Let's act to protect this armored warrior and stop wildlife trafficking. The spotted pond turtle is critically endangered due to habitat destruction and illegal trade. Sought for their meat and exotic pet appeal, they're victims of human greed. Fun fact, turtles help maintain aquatic ecosystems by controlling algae and insects. Protecting their habitats isn't just about saving turtles, it's about preserving freshwater ecosystems. Egyptian vultures, nature's sanitation workers, prevent diseases by consuming carrion. However, poisoning, electrocution, and declining food sources have drastically reduced their numbers. Did you know they can digest harmful pathogens like anthrax? Protecting these birds ensures a cleaner environment and healthier ecosystems. Let's support conservation efforts. The Nilgiri teher, endemic to the Western Ghats, thrives in rocky terrains but faces habitat loss and poaching. With their curved horns and climbing skills, they're experts at escaping predators. Conservation programs like Project Nilgiri Teher aim to double their population by 2030. Saving them ensures the preservation of an iconic species and its habitat. Red pandas, shy and elusive, inhabit the eastern Himalayas, feeding on bamboo, fruits, and insects. Habitat loss and poaching threaten their survival, with fewer than 15,000 left globally. Despite their name, they're closer to raccoons than pandas. By supporting ecotourism and habitat restoration, we can ensure the future of this adorable Himalayan flame. As we rediscovered these species, we saw the urgent need for conservation. Each of us can contribute, raise awareness, combat illegal trade, and support eco-friendly practices. As Wendell Berry said, the earth is what we all have in common. Together, let's ensure these treasures thrive for generations. Are you ready to make a difference? If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.